Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox Hot Wheels. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product, Hot Wheels. This is from the 2025 collection, Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe. This comes with an MRP of Rs 179 and it's of a wide body series. Fourth car out of the 5 cars. So let's unbox it right now. We have unboxed it and here it is, the Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe. Just look at the detailing of this tiny car. The paint job, the stickers, Jaguar Motul, Bilstein, FC, AA and the Hot Wheels logo. It comes in a red and blue decal sticker. And look at the number, 76. Jaguar. Guys, just look at the interior of this car. The seats, the steering, dashboard. It's a right-hand drive car. Also, look at this exhaust in the left and right side. They look awesome, right? The exhaust, alloy, the front grille and the rear bumper are of steel and the rest is of metal. This is a nice die-cast car for collectors as it looks so realistic. So if you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to at least your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos. And click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.